So here I have the super powered turbo fan that I got on Amazon. It comes with the brushes, nozzles, charging cable, strap, and a user manual. So let's just test it and see how it works. Okay, it's time to test it. Let's go. There we go, guys, another test with some leaves. So there you go, guys. It works pretty fine. You can get yours on Amazon. I highly recommend it.